Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to enable third-party cookies on Safari. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your settings and scroll down until you see the Safari. So just go ahead and click on Safari. Again, scroll down and you can see at the privacy and security section, you can see the block all cookies option. Okay, so you need to make sure that the switch is off. So that means that the third parties is enabled on your Safari. But if you want to block all cookies on your Safari, you want to turn that switch on. But if you are sure about blocking all cookies, websites may not work if you do this. Existing cookies and website data will also be removed, okay? So if you're sure about that, just go ahead and click on block all. Okay, so that's it. That is how you enable third-party cookies on Safari. So we hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.